Today I'm making the easiest simple peanut butter porter on the stovetop. I started with 1 gallon of water, 1.5 pounds of traditional dark dry malt extract, and 1 ounce of Fuggle hops, which were added at the beginning and end of a 30-minute boil. When it finished, I chilled the must in an ice bath and then strained the hops out and added my yeast and nutrient. Starting gravity was 1066. I left the airlock off for the first 3 days. Good call considering the 3 eruptions I had to clean up. After 3 weeks, the porter was finished and ready for peanut butter flavoring. I started with sanitized equipment and bottles. I use an auto siphon with the cap on to avoid picking up too much of the leaves at the bottom. The auto siphon makes racking the liquid from one vessel to another very easy and quick. Check out that tightly packed layer of leaves. Final gravity finished at 1018, a little high, but it's a sweet, full-bodied beer, so it's okay. Next, I'll make my priming solution for natural carbonation by dissolving 1 ounce of white sugar in 4 ounces of water. Stir till clear. Then pour it right into the beer and stir gently to distribute the priming solution evenly. I'm using Brewers Best peanut butter flavoring, about 4 ounces. That's the rest of this one. Some of this one. A little more. Perfect. Stir some more. And now it's ready to bottle. Taking the cap off the auto siphon this time and using a spring-loaded bottling wand. The bottles go into the heavy-duty cooler to carbonate for 5 to 10 days. Follow for more.